Hello everyone, Assalamualaikum. Welcome back to another video from Mr. TECHFOX. Today I'm going to show you how to set up Sublime Text for competitive programming. Especially we'll configure the layout so that your input file stays on the right side with the output file directly below it. This makes handling input and output much more efficient while you code. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to hit the like button, and if you are new to the channel, go ahead and subscribe and turn on the bell notifications. First, navigate to the top menu bar and select View. From the drop-down, go to Layout and choose Columns 3. Once you select 3 columns, your screen will split into 3 vertical sections. Now, go back to View menu again, but this time navigate to Groups. From the options on the right, select Max Columns 2. Now, you will see 2 rows on the right side of your screen. You need to open your input file in the top section. To do this, go to File and click Open. Select your input file, input.txt. Next, click on the bottom section and repeat the process to open your output file. Example, output.txt. That's it. Now, if I run my code normally, you will see that it works perfectly. For example, if I change a value in the input file, let's change this 3 to an 8 and run the code again. You can see the output updates instantly. This is how you can make Sublime Text fully optimized for competitive programming with a side-by-side input and output view. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay well.